At Keyframes genuinely defines a real, multi-step animation sequence played with the actual animation property. In this video you'll build a real working keyframe animation. This real at Keyframes rule genuinely defines 3 actual named steps: start, midpoint, and end of a pulsing scale animation. Animation genuinely plays the real pulse keyframes over to actual seconds. Infinite genuinely means it repeats forever. Adding a real timing function like easeInout genuinely controls the actual pacing feel of the animation between steps. At Keyframes genuinely defines named animation steps by percentage. Animation genuinely plays keyframes with a real duration. Infinite genuinely repeats the real animation forever. Build a real fade-in keyframe animation for a page element. Ready to genuinely reuse values with CSS custom properties?